Discover how AzaaGo is transforming the way businesses interact with their data. Watch this video to see it in action.
What if your ERP could talk to you? What if you could ask your business questions and get answers instantly? No searching through screens, no waiting for reports, just simple conversations with your business. Welcome to AzaaGo, your AI Business Assistant. AzaaGo is an AI-powered assistant built inside the eresource ERP ecosystem. It understands your data, your processes, and your daily operations. Think of it as a smart team member who knows your entire business and is always ready to help. In most companies, data is everywhere, in reports, dashboards, spreadsheets, and systems. But getting the right answer still takes time. You wait for teams, you wait for reports, you wait for meetings. AzaaGo changes this completely. You simply type or speak a question. AzaaGo instantly connects to your live ERP data and gives you clear answers, summaries, and insights in seconds. Let's see AzaaGo in action.
What was sales trend like in last year? Azago reads live ERP data and gives a clear, simple response.
Now I ask, which products generated maximum revenue in last year? This is how fast decisions are made, with just one simple question. With AzaaGo, executives get instant visibility, managers get faster decisions, teams become more productive, and businesses become truly data-driven. No technical skills required, no IT dependency, just natural conversation with your ERP. AzaaGo is not just a chatbot. It is the future of how businesses interact with enterprise software.